Subscribe to Land Tomato and click the bell icon for never miss an update. Hello guys, welcome to another video of Land Tomato, and today we are going to talk about another modern day gadget. So let's get started. Guys, if you like dogs or don't like dogs, but I guarantee you that you will like this dog. Presenting Aibo, the robot dog developed by Sony. As Sony is designing and manufacturing the series of robotic pets from last 21 years, the 4th generation model of Aibo ERS1000 has been launched. The Sony Aibo is a robot dog developed for children as well as adults. The company has developed such a robot dog keeping in mind that it feels more like member of family to their customer. I am telling you, his dog-like interactions, irresistible cuteness, rich expressiveness and dynamic range of movements will win your hearts. Aibo is an entertainment robot dog, so it can walk, see the things and sense the touch and light. The Aibo robot can make a bark sound, and its face detecting cameras can recognize up to 100 different people. So now let's talk about its specifications. The processor used in this robot is 64-bit quad-core CPU. It contains two OLED display in its eyes. It also contains a speaker with 4 microphones. There are 2 cameras present for detecting a surrounding environment. TOF ranging, pressure sensitive touch, capacitive type touch, motion and light sensors have been provided. There are 3 touch switches provided on the robot that are power button, volume button and network button. Status and network LED indicators, also charging pins and SIM card slots have been provided. The robot can communicate by mobile networks and Wi-Fi. The robot have head, mouth, neck, waist, front paws, back paws, ear and tail as their freely movable parts. The company has provided an application which include My Aibo dashboard. Here you will find tech support, tutorial, owner information and access to the Aibo store. Also, users can view pictures captured by the robot. It also available selection of tricks, unit status and settings from the horizontal tabs. Through these menus, you can customize the sound of dogs, the color of its eye, its name and sex, and download more tricks for the robot to perform. You can teach your Aibo nearly 2 dozen installable tricks, including strike a pose, pick a hand and sing happy birthday. In addition to the standard commands of sit, come, lay down, take a picture, etc. You can even teach your Aibo to dance with learn this command. Upon hearing that, your Aibo will sit up on its back legs and allow you to wiggle, lift and otherwise manipulate its front legs in a variety of movements for about 10 seconds. Sony also providing to use web-based API to program its Aibo robot dog to do new tricks. With its new Aibo developer program, Sony is inviting developers to make services and applications that can work with Aibo. The Aibo visual programming, which looks like Scratch programming, has been used to develop program by simple drag and drop block code. So that is for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share your thoughts about Aibo robot dog in comment section. Like this video and share it with your friends. I will meet you in another video. Till then, goodbye.